Welcome to our video on how CORTEXI works, a breakthrough solution for tinnitus relief. If you or someone you know suffers from tinnitus, you're well aware of the constant buzzing or ringing sounds in the ears. In this video, we will explain how CORTEXI can provide relief from tinnitus and improve your quality of life. Before we dive into how CORTEXI works, let's first understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is the perception of sound when no external sound is present. It can manifest as ringing, buzzing, hissing, or other sounds, and it can be constant or intermittent. Tinnitus can significantly impact a person's daily life, causing sleep disturbances, concentration problems, and emotional distress. Many individuals with tinnitus try various treatments, including medications, sound therapy, or masking devices. While these approaches may provide temporary relief, they often fail to address the underlying cause of tinnitus. Additionally, some treatments can have side effects or limited effectiveness, leaving sufferers desperate for a more effective and lasting solution. Enter CORTEXI, a revolutionary solution that goes beyond traditional tinnitus treatments. CORTEXI utilizes advanced neuroscience techniques and cutting-edge technology to target the root cause of tinnitus and provide long-lasting relief. It takes a personalized approach, considering individual brain activity patterns and creating personalized sound therapies to restore auditory balance. So, how does CORTEXI work? CORTEXI uses a combination of auditory stimulation and neuroplasticity to rewire the brain and reduce the perception of tinnitus. By delivering specific sound frequencies and patterns, CORTEXI helps to desynchronize abnormal brain activity associated with tinnitus, encouraging the brain to rewire and restore normal auditory processing. Each user receives a personalized treatment plan based on their unique tinnitus profile. By analyzing various factors such as the pitch and intensity of the tinnitus, as well as other personal characteristics, CORTEXI tailors the treatment to maximize effectiveness. The personalized treatment plan is easy to follow, and users can track their progress through the CORTEXI app. With consistent use, CORTEXI users experience significant relief from tinnitus symptoms. Many individuals report reduced sound intensity and improved sleep quality. The long-term benefits include increased focus, reduced stress, and overall improved quality of life. CORTEXI has already helped thousands of people regain control over their tinnitus and find lasting relief. In conclusion, CORTEXI offers a breakthrough solution for tinnitus relief. With its personalized approach and advanced technology, it provides long-lasting relief from tinnitus symptoms, allowing individuals to reclaim their lives. If you or someone you know is struggling with tinnitus, consider trying CORTEXI and experience the difference for yourself.